Hi, Craig from Mini Machines Direct. Here we've got a ML 2500 mini skid steer loader auger drive. This is how they come all packaged up. I'm going to show you exactly what's in the box. So we'll just go ahead and lift the lid off. I've already taken the straps off. So in the box, we've got our auger drive. We've got our 4-way swing mini loader mounting frame. You've got 2 hydraulic hoses and instruction manual, and you've got 2 quick couplers and also your auger mounting pin and lynch clip. So to set all the hoses and all that, simply take some slip joint pliers, undo these 2 plugs. They're only plastic plugs. Shouldn't be any oil in there, but there could be a little bit of residual, so just be aware. There we go, 2 plastic plugs. Just ensure that you also remove the rubber seal that's on the plastic plugs. Alrighty, hoses. So hoses come in various lengths depending on your requirements and what machine it's going on. You got one end is angled. This one's 45 degrees. You can get 90 degrees if you want on one end, and the other end is straight. You'll also notice on one end of the hose there will be a fitting. This fitting is going to be the ones that we screw into the auger drive motor itself. Essentially this fitting could go either way, but the difference is the dowdy sealing washer, which is just a washer with a rubber insert. So that dowdy washer is going to be what seals this fitting to the drive motor. Always check your fittings, no plastic plugs or nothing there, and screw it on in. We'll just grab the other fittings out the other hose there. Take the plastic plug off, check it's all clear, check the dowdy washers on there, and screw that one in. All the way home. Take a shifter or a spanner and just nip these fittings up like so. Next we'll be joining the hoses on. So the fitting here has got a taper inside it. That's what seals up against this fitting here. So there's no dowdy washer as such sealing this piece. Screw them on. And the other one. Check your hoses clear. Right, these fittings are 1/2 inch BSP. Now in terms of orientation, I like to have them hanging off on an angle downwards. The reason being, if you want to remove these pins and position this auger drive in an upright position to accommodate a mixer bowl, these fittings are going to go down in here and you don't want the hoses hitting on the frame. In saying that, if you have the angle down too far, these hoses could possibly be inhibited by the auger itself. So angle like so, nip them up, and to make it look good, make them follow the same angle like so. Alrighty, so on the other end we've got our quick couplers. These particular ones are what we call flat face. They're quite good because they keep the faces pretty clean. It's easy to get a rag, wipe all the dirt off, etc. You got these dust covers as well. The other style that's pretty common is the poppet type, the ag style, which has got a little dimple on the male one. I'll show you, that's flat face, but the other type it'll have a little poppet valve there. So these fittings are good, slightly more expensive than the other type, but essentially when ordering this equipment, you just got to choose the type that suits your machine. remove the plastic plugs inside. Now, being that these quick couplers are different, so it will matter which one you put on which hose, depending on your machine setup. But basically, connect it all up and pull your lever on the machine. If you find that this auger's spinning the wrong way, just simply swap these couplers over. So I like to, on the bottom hose, I like to put the female fitting on, take the plastic cap off, check they're all clear, and again you've got the dowdy washer here. So that simply just screws on, like so. Same with the other one. Take your plastic plug off, check your dowdy washers on there. We put that red cap on there, screw it on up. So from here we're just going to take a couple of spanners or shifters and we're just going to nip these fittings up. 1, 2. Alrighty. So yeah, we have it basically all ready to go. They will come with oil in the planetary gearbox already from the factory. You've got grease nipples on the side, you can give it a quick squirt of grease and all the linkages. Apart from that, she's all ready to go. Just connect it up to the machine, pull the levers and let it fill with oil, and it's all good. So there we go. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to give us a bell, 1300 4498 44.